Hi guys, this is Don Martin. I am from thereasonablerealtor.com. That is thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website. It's a place to go and get information uh, on your house, things you can do with your house, including selling your house by yourself. I appreciate you being here this morning. It won't take but just a second. There are places out there where you can be sitting right now thinking about selling your house. I don't care whether it's from Memphis to Knoxville, Chattanooga, Nashville, or even BELLE MEADE. Let's say you're in BELLE MEADE right now thinking about selling your house, and you're thinking about selling your house to save a lot of money on listing commissions. You've got the opportunity to go to Google and Google flat fee brokers, flat fee realtors, flat fee whatever you want to. You can go to a national map and pay a company who will take your money and then return your business to the state level, because um, real estate is done on a state level. Or you could get in touch with me. My name is Don Martin at Martin Properties. I've been doing this over 36 years right here in Tennessee. I'm licensed and certified and able to do a full flat fee MLS listing for you. Uh, and you can get the benefit of a tremendous amount of exposure when you're selling your house. I would ask you to go to thereasonablerealtor.com, go up to the menus, look at services, pull down services. The first one up there is to list your house. List your house in the MLS. So that is the quickest and easiest way. I will leave a link to the website down here in the comments section, so make it easy for you to get to. Please do get to it. If you've got a chance, enjoy a couple of the articles in there. If you've got a chance, give this website, this YouTube site, a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Even there's a place over here where there's a red square. You can subscribe to this YouTube website. That would be good for me as well. Watch it all the way to the end. You'll get a nice surprise. Um, and again, thereasonablerealtor.com. If you're thinking about selling your house, lots of resources for you there. I'll be looking for you, and I will check back with you later. Thanks.